What's up? Today we'll be installing an aftermarket shift knob from Tomei. This is Tomei Duracon shift knob. Now I made some mistakes on this order, that's why I have 3 of these. Which is fine because I can just give this away by celebrating this channel's subscribers count passing 100. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and comment down below 39 giveaway. I will run a lottery app on March 9 and reply to the winner's comment. Now moving back to the video. Now to replace a manual shift knob, we just turn the shift knob counterclockwise until it fully loosens up. Now to install a new shift knob, we just simply align the thread before we turn it clockwise. Now install the logo sticker on the top of the shift knob. This shift knob came with a shift pattern sticker that we can stick around here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit wider than the spot right here, so I decided not to use it this time. So after taking it out for a drive, I realized that I like the feeling of driving a stick with a ball or a round shift knob better than this type. So I guess I will have to test a bunch of shift knobs and get a feel of it before buying one. And I used a weighing scale to weigh both shift knob, and man, it was like half of what the OEM one was. So again, in order to enter this giveaway, just subscribe to the channel and comment down below 39 giveaway. I will announce the winners on March 9 and reply to the winner's comment. So we'll be having more giveaways, not just this shift knob. Thank you all for your support. So if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe and help us out on how we can improve. So stick with us and see you in the next one.